Today I'd like to do a video on an interesting little Geiger counter. It's a V700. I think it's a 1950s or early 60s era. I picked this one up on eBay for about 30 bucks if I'm not mistaken. A bit of a crack here, but the last time it was checked was, if you open here, last calibration was August 15, 2000, so they were still using them or planning on using them then. They use a couple of 1.5 volt D-cell batteries. Pretty interesting, the size of the stuff in there. It's got 3 settings. Obviously there's off. Then the 3 settings are 1 times, 10 times, 100 times. And it reads like that. Anyways, interesting. This thing here pops off. It's a carrying handle and it's a probe. And this mode here is for gamma radiation because the whole thing's closed off. I'll try to put my when it's closed off like that, it's for gamma radiation. All you do is turn and that'll pick up alpha and beta radiation. You got a check source on the actual machine, so you put it up against it like that and you'll start seeing ticking on the Geiger counter. Pretty simple. You take your couple of D-cell batteries, you fit them into the holder. These machines have one problem that you'll see often on them, and it's that the holder here, if you just stick in like this and you lock into place like that, the edges are sharp on them. What they do is they cut into the battery and they start short-circuiting the batteries. You could fix it by putting tape on either the batteries or on the metal thing. I put it on the metal thing here. Anyways, so that's how that's set up in there. We connect it again. Back onto here. It's a waterproof crate. It does come with a carrying strap, but I left that in the packaging. I'm going to try to get you to hear the sound. So right now it's off. I'll switch it to 1. I'll put the speaker up to the mic on the camera here. And as you hear, that's off the test source on the container. Because I've also got a source here from a fire detector, or a smoke detector should I say. I'll put that down and you'll see the difference between that and the check source. This should be alpha radiation coming off of this, so once again, open. As you hear, there's a lot more coming off of this one than off the other one. But it's alpha, so if I were to take this and close it like that, you shouldn't hear a thing. You'll get one tick, but that could be off of pretty much anything. So there might be a little bit of gamma or maybe some beta getting through the shielding. But for the most part, the type of radiation is alpha radiation. Hopefully you hear that well. Here, I'll turn it off now. So that's my little Geiger counter, and I hope you find them as interesting as I do. I picked this up solely because it's an old piece of technology, but it's from the, I guess you could say, the heyday of nuclear weapons technology and the atomic age, I guess you could call it, from the beginnings of that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.